Hi, I'm Dioramic. I make miniature scenes and hide them in public. It's Christmas, so of course I built a wintry, Christmassy scene. To get started, I built a simple plywood case. With the case built, it was time to start adding some snow. Now we have snow, it has to be time for a Lego style Christmas tree. Next, a gingerbread house. I used a real one from IKEA, which turned out to be a mistake. All was looking good, and then I woke up to this. Some major engineering problems. So I 3D printed one instead. A miniature house needs a miniature fence. And a little more snow. You can't have Christmas without Santa. We have Santa and a tree. Now we need some presents. And finally, a snowman. I hope you have a great Christmas. I used a number of other people's 3D models in this video. I've put a full list in the description of where you can find them. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the new year.